Heads up, Facebook is now scanning all of the photos on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and uploading all of these to cloud processing, whether you have posted the photos or whether they're on the gallery of your iPhone. I'm going to show you how to prevent them from uploading all of these to their AI cloud and analyzing all of your photos. So let's hop into the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. You need to get to your settings. So you can see at the bottom right here is menu for me. I'm going to tap on that, but you might see menu at the top left or top right. From here, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings at the top. Scroll down from here and tap on camera roll sharing suggestions. You can see this second option, get creative ideas made for you by allowing camera roll cloud processing, aka it allows Meta to analyze all of the photos on your camera roll using their AI systems. So I would highly recommend turning this feature off if you have it on. But that's not the only thing I would recommend doing. Let's follow along with a step 2 that helps basically encompass all of your photos and help protect you. So let's hop out of here and open up the settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on privacy and security, and then scroll down again and tap on photos. You'll see all of the apps that have access to your photos, and because Facebook tends to scan everything, I would switch this to limited access. And essentially it says selected photos and add access. You can choose which photos you want to give it access to, or you can always switch this to none if you don't tend to post photos and videos on Facebook. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.